Vikings, welcome back. I am Amin and I'm one of the career mentors here in the core office. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a resume on SkillsFirst. If you've seen the introduction video, then you should know how to get here. If not, click over and watch the previous video. To start, we're going to go ahead and click on create a resume. This will bring up 3 different options for you to choose from. Upload a resume, edit a sample, and start from scratch. Uploading a resume is a really good option if you already have a previous resume. However, if you choose this option, you won't have access to a lot of the cool AI features that are going to be explained in the next video. If you choose to edit a sample, you'll be able to edit a resume that is tailored for a specific position you may be applying for. For this video, we're going to focus on starting from scratch, which is the most popular choice and will give you the most flexibility. The first thing you're going to do is select a template. Now, there's a lot of options to choose. Don't spend a lot of your time looking for the perfect one. Any of the first 3 are solid choices. From here, you will title your resume. We recommend putting your last name, first name, and resume at the end. You can also add a description if you so choose. This is what your resume will look like to start. If you look here, this is where you adjust your font and text size. To begin, you will click on Edit, which is where you'll add sections and fill out necessary information. SkillsFirst will automatically generate a contact section for you. And if you press Add Section here, it will pull up a list of sections that you can add into your resume. The default ones that we recommend are education, experience, and skill, but you can choose whichever one fits your experience best. From here, you will go into each section, follow the prompts, and add any information necessary. And when you're done, you will click Save. Once you finish, you can click on this preview button and it will show you what your completed resume will look like. And here, you can go ahead and submit your resume for human review, which will send it here to the core office where one of our career mentors will provide feedback within 24 to 48 hours from Monday to Friday. Thank you for watching, and in the next video, we'll go over what different AI functions are and how to use them.